Hello, this is Dr. Mazhar Hussain from My Hair Clinic. After hair transplant, studies show growth of 85% or above. Keep in mind, those are studies of 100, 200 or 300 grafts. They're not real life conditions, those studies. However, in my experience, 2 to 3% of our patients have complained about less than satisfactory growth. There will be patients that will not complain and they will not give us the feedback. So I would say a realistic number is 10 to 15% of patients may not have satisfactory growth after surgery. Every clinic will potentially have patients that don't have proper good growth. There is no guarantee in hair transplantation. Any doctor, any clinic that claims to guarantee a certain percentage, even if it's 80% or 70%, they're lying to your face. There is no such thing as a guaranteed outcome from any surgery. If you have any further questions, do speak to us. Thank you for watching.